Hello my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare chocolate cupcake. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Turn to the notification bell to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Preparing this chocolate cupcake, this is the recipe that I'm going to use. I'm going to use all-purpose flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour that I'm going to use. One cup of sugar, 1 cup of sugar, cocoa powder, that's my cocoa powder, half a tablespoon of baking powder, then you mix it very well. Mix it very well. Let everything couple together. See that? See that? Couple them very well. Perfect. 1 egg, half cup of milk, vanilla flavor, 1 cup, one cup of oil, half cup of boiling water. Then we mix it. We are going to use cup pan. So if you are using this type of cup pan, you have to grease it with water. I've already done the greasing, look at it. Then dust it again with all-purpose flour. Dust it so that it will make the cake to be free when it's ready. So dust it very well. You see that? Perfect. Then turn it your cream half of it, the next one, half of it, half of it, and preheat your oven and put your cake. My chocolate cake is ready. The chocolate cupcake, just 10 minutes, is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.